Do 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 do. The Ruby and Gonzi Show. Do do. Hello, I'm Ruby.
And I'm Gonzi.
And this is the Ruby and Gonzi Show. Do do. Where we talk about all things science.
Yes, and today we're talking about the ozone.
So, Gonzi, what is this ozone?
The ozone is a thin layer of atmosphere in the stratosphere.
And the stratosphere is a layer in the Earth's atmosphere right above the troposphere. So it's about 6 or 8 miles up, right?
Precisely. But, Ruby, something terrible has happened to the ozone.
What?
Well, you probably know the ozone is the only thing protecting us from those terrible, no-good ultraviolet rays.
Yeah?
And now there's holes in it.
Holes? What does this mean? How did it happen?
It means we're going to burn up and die.
What? But I'm too young to die. Why, ozone? Why?
Well, that was a bit of an exaggeration, but a lot of bad things could happen.
Well, if there's holes in the ozone and the ozone is supposed to be protecting us from those UV rays, what's stopping those harmful rays from getting in?
Nothing. But there aren't holes everywhere. The biggest one is over Antarctica. However, the ozone is thinning over areas like Australia and North America.
How did we let this happen?
That's the thing. It was our human-made chemicals that have been eating away at the ozone.
Oh, no. Is it those nasty CFCs that are doing this?
Yup, that's right. It's the chlorofluorocarbons.
Yep.
So, these CFCs are used in lots of products and are also used in manufacturing. And it's this group of chemicals that are eating away at the ozone.
And the hole over Antarctica is so big because of the CFCs, and it's so cold there that they get broken apart by tiny ice crystals, and then something interesting happens. The sun rises and wakes up the chlorine that was once part of the CFCs. And the chlorine attacks the ozone molecules until the ozone is so thin it cannot stop any of the UV rays.
Wow. Now let's talk about why we need the ozone to protect us from the UV rays.
Once these UV rays get in, it causes a big chain reaction. The ocean life will be some of the first to receive too many UV rays.
Not only that, humans and animals will get terrible sunburns and even skin cancer.
Yep, and these rays can be very, very harmful to our eyes, too.
And worst of all, the CFCs are contributing to global climate change.
Yep, that's also true. CFCs, among other harmful gases, get trapped in the lower atmosphere. These gases and chemicals trap heat and raise the Earth's temp. This causes glaciers to melt, sea levels to rise, and normal land to turn into deserts.
That's why everyone should be concerned about our ozone and the
continuous production of CFCs. We need the ozone to protect us, or we will eventually all burn up.
Yup.
Yep, all right, folks. That's all the time we have today.
But tune in next time for more science.
Do, 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 do.
That's the Ruby and Gonzi Show. Do, do.